All right, y'all. So in a previous video, I had opened up some of the mini fashions that were small handbags, and then you had like little accessories that came with them, and y'all really liked that. And a handful of you asked that if I got any more of any of the mini brands or anything, would I please open them on camera? So I am in the middle of getting out a lot of craft supplies. I'm going through all of my artificial flowers and stuff. So I thought, hey, why not just film this right quick while I'm still in the process of trying to get some crafts together. So anyway, got these at Walmart. The mini fashions are $9.99. This 3-pack of the regular mini brands, this is the series 3 mini brands, that was $19.99. And then we have these Plushy pets. One of y'all asked me about Plushy pets, and I had not seen them before. My Walmart just recently got them. So look, you get this little cute little tag on here. This is cardboard. It says you get 5 surprises, and these were $5.97. So $5.97, $9.99, and then $19.99. So these take a minute to open. So I'm going to take off the plastic wrap off camera, and then we'll come back and open up the actual little orbs. All right, so I got the 3 fashion ones open. These are a pain in the butt to open. I will tell you that right now. But anyway, look down in the description box and look in the comments. I will have links to some previous videos I did where I show you things that you can make to recycle the packaging. And also I made some displays for the handbags. So look down there for that. So like I said, you get a bag, and then you get a few little accessories. I can't tell which one is which. What's this one, honestly? Okay, this is the bag. Let's open the, oh, how cute is that? How cute is that? Look. This little, calm, Amber. This is a little padded bag. And then look, here's the little handles. Can you imagine trying to put this together, trying to sew this? No! These little brass things here. Well, I call it brass, but you know, gold. And then the little bag. I've been crafting and moving stuff around. I've got stuff all over my hands and under my nails. I say that pretty much in every other video, I think. And then you get a sticker. All right, now where's the other bag? I have one of these bags over here. Here's the sticker. So this sticker matches this bag here. How cute is that? So you get the bag, you get a sticker. Please be the diamond ring, because I haven't got, oh, now this came with 3. Do they come with 3? I don't know. I can't remember. I get so many of these little mini things. I can't remember how much each one comes with. But anyway, look at this tiny little clutch. And then you have, looks like a gloss, like a lip gloss. And then please be the diamond ring. It is! It's the diamond ring! Look! Look at the ring. Look at the little ring. Looks like in a Tiffany looking box. How cute is that? But here's the little ring. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, I'm like a big kid when it comes to these things. I love collecting these. I would have loved to have had these when I was little. Oh my goodness. All right. So now that you know what it comes with, we're just going to open them up. Take a look at the bag and the accessories. Here's another one of these. I have like 3 of these, I think. I know there's not very many styles right now. There's that. Let's see what all we got. Okay, we got a, come here. So yeah, you get 3 accessories. So here's the little compact, and it will actually open like so. It has like a little mirror, like some makeup, and then this little makeup brush, and this little bottle of perfume. How cute is that? Where'd my sticker go? I want my sticker. Where's my sticker? Oh, here we go. That one. All right, move it off to the side. These containers would be good to make bath bombs or something with. I haven't come up with something for these particular ones here, but I'm hanging on to them because I'm sure I'll come up with something. Oh, how cute! This is like a Louis. Yeah, this style definitely looks like a Louis. How adorable is that? I love that. I love these little handles. Why is this not focusing? Little handles. How adorable. All right, let's take a look at the accessories. Oh, we got another doggy. I got a doggy in a previous one. All right, so here is this sticker. And then we have our little dog. You can sit right there, buddy. And then we have this little container. Here's a little lipstick. Look at that. How cute is that? The lipstick. And looks like a little squeezy tube of hand cream. All right, so next we're going to open these because I've never seen these before. So I'm going to open these, put this away, and I'll be back. All right. So like I said, I haven't even looked these up on YouTube. I haven't looked them up anywhere, so I don't know what's in them. All I know, and I like this blue color, the only thing I know is from what I saw. A kitty! Look at a kitty! Wow! Okay, gosh, these could be addictive too. Seriously? Look at those eyes. How cute is that? Yes, I'm a big kid. Get over it. How cute is that? Okay. So now what do we have? Oh, look! Look, it's a little milky bottle. You remember these when we were little? You turn them up and then the milk disappears. So there's a kitty. And one is in here. Okay, so there's some stickers. Are you counting the sticker as an item? Let's see. Oh, here's your adoption certificate. Its name is Muffin. That is its name. That's what I'm going to name it. All right. Can you find the rare golden chick? Probably not. All right. So now we have that. How adorable is that? And that sticker matched. So why can't they do that with the bags? I don't know. Oh! Oh! That's a doggy! How cute is that? It looks like a doggy. How cute. There's a little tail. Let's see. What do you have? Oh, you have your bottle too. Well, I mean, they're babies, so I guess they're all going to get a bottle. And then we got our matching sticker. And this that says Plushy Pets. Oh, all right. So now y'all know I'm going to have to build a display for these. Okay, so we'll make a video on that later. Okay, so open. A baby elephant. How cute is that? Look. How cute. He looks like little Dumbo. All right. These are adorable. With his little bottle. And his matching sticker. And his plushie pet. 5 surprise. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess they're counting the stickers. Each sticker and the adoption certificate as a surprise. I'm going to cut these tags off because I don't rightly like them. But anyway, how cute is that? And these containers are smaller, so I'll come up with something to do with those. But anyway, how cute. So you got the elephant and the doggy and the kitty. And they all have a bottle. All right, so now let me open this. I have probably hundreds of these. So let me open that and I'll be back. All right, these are a pain to open. The animals were not. The bags, oh. Major pain. But y'all have seen me, excuse me, y'all have seen me show these before, and I may make a video with my collection thus far, but my kids love these. I love these. Hot tamales. I also have a video showing what to do and things to make with this packaging. Okay, this type of oddball packaging they have. Like I said, I'll link to that below. So we have our hot tamales. Open, please. We have Alfredo sauce. Oh, how cute. I love these. All right, what we got next? Come here. You go in the trash. We have Icebreakers sours. These do not open, by the way. Oh, what is this? What is this? I don't have this one, I don't think. Black pepper. Black pepper. All right, open up this one. And we have these little pops. The best of. Well, how cute. All right, moving on to the next one. Okay, my hand hurts. I went bowling yesterday. We bowled a whole lot. My hand hurts. Almond Breeze, unsweetened. Yes, unsweetened. Thank you. Now we have, okay, so this is this a shopping cart? This is like a little, excuse me, like a little shopping cart thing that you can put together. Sometimes you'll get like little shelving units or shopping carts, which my littles like playing with those. Oh, my hand, I'm losing grip. I'm telling you, my hand and my arm hurts. We have Teddy Grahams. How cute. Now, they do have the minis, like toys. I don't really like those as much because it's not the toys from my childhood. But anyway, so now we have the Warheads Super Sour Double Drops. Oh, I just cannot grasp that. And then we have, oh, I don't have one of these, I don't think. Mike and Ike Mega Mix. 10 flavors. No, I don't have that one. I have so many of these, though. All right, let's see what we got. Amber, just use the daggum scissors. What is this? Uh-oh, we got some good stuff. We got, oh, these, I love these. Jalapeno poppers from TGI Fridays. It's funny because I don't eat a lot of packaged processed foods, but I love those, and I do like the Almond Breeze milk. What is this? We have some turkey stove top. Nope. I got brave. I thought I could do it. Oh, I don't think I have this one either. The Icy Pops, cherry and blue raspberry. How cute is that? Don't, oh Lord, now my charger's coming after me. Don't embarrass yourself, Amber. Just use the scissors. We have the Hershey's Cookies and Cream. Yeah, we'll do another one right quick. One more. What is this? This looks weird. Oh yes, I have this. A Deli Fresh oven roasted turkey. How cute. I love these. So we got all of this. We got 3 handbags, and we got 3 animals with their bottles. Anyway, how fun was that? They're addictive, and I buy myself some every now and again. Anyway, I hope that you like this. If you would, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.